Hey, what's up, Fraycom? How are you guys? RiseFrakes34. Thank you so much for being patient with me. Again, I've been kind of missing in action here for the last couple months. Still around, watching videos on Facebook, fragrance, Facebook groups and everything have always been fun. Definitely Instagram as well. So I have an account there now. So haven't done too many pictures yet, but it is a lot of fun watching all the crazy pictures. And as we fragrance lovers love all the bottles and the way they look and presentations and all that. Of course, the smell's the main thing, but it is kind of cool looking at these really nice bottles and pictures of everything too. So it's pretty awesome. Guys, this one just an unboxing, first impressions, a true first impressions. Never smelled this one before. So this one's Dixit and Zach, GHALIYAH HIND. I know there's GHALIYAH Reflection, I believe, that I don't know if it was like a collaboration between the two. I know it's part of Dixit and Zach. And then also Emperor HIND, which I do have a bottle. Again, which I love, is these are natural perfumes, natural ingredients, and they're just really, really rare, which I love the rareness of them, and they can only make so many. It's kind of limited. We all I think we all have that in our heart a little bit, where you kind of want that limited fragrances that that not everyone is going to have and can get. So it's kind of cool. But Nitish Dixit and Zachar Laskar are the founders of Dixit and Zach, and I just found out about them probably about 6 to 8 months ago. Not too much talk, but there is a little bit of talk on them, so kind of cool though. And I really can't wait to try more of their fragrances. Like I said, I had those couple, but this one, guys, real quick, let's do the unboxing of this one. I'll show you real quick too. Just the packaging is of course really nice packaging. The first boxes were kind of they're just small, and the bottles are really nice. I love this. The sprayers on these are incredible. But getting on with this one, I'm kind of excited for this new release. And again, like I said, Lucky Scent, it's already sold out. It doesn't take long to sell out, so it's kind of fun to get a bottle before it's before it's completely gone. So let's see how this comes out here. I don't want to ruin anything. What's funny is you never have trouble opening anything when you're just by yourself chilling, but as soon as you get on a video and you want to do it on a video, it's of course you can't get it open. So here's the box again, if you can see that, and so there's the top of it, but really nice presentation so far. They always give you this like little pamphlet in here, which is kind of cool. Hopefully it's coming in focus and you can see right there. Nice little book on their ingredients, I guess, and all that good stuff. And then I love the presentation here with it's that really nice foam in there, so it really stays really nice, and it doesn't get any it just keeps intact. It's not bouncing around the box anywhere and all that stuff too. So there's a little bit there of the, hopefully it's coming in okay and you guys can see that. But that's the box and presentation, which is nice. This is pretty cool. I love the 100 ml bottle. Usually they come in a smaller bottle, but look how beautiful that bottle is. I just love that. And sorry if you can't see too well there, but and then also on the back of the bottle now, they have that on there as well. So, but just a great, look at that dark fragrance. Just love it. Now these sprayers should be pretty awesome. So the caps are pretty nice too. They're light. They're kind of plasticky, but they look good. I love the bottles, of course. And here, let's try the spray. Yeah, these sprayers are excellent. Oh yeah, just that typical, that oud, that brightness. I just love that. You get these natural, that natural, there's like a rose in this, which is just gorgeous. I can totally smell the rose. You can kind of get the bergamot in that opening. I think there's some bergamot or something citrusy. Man, that is just, it's literally just sex to the nose. I mean, it's so, there's something special about this. I hope it lasts long on the skin. This is a little bit lighter than GHALIYAH Reflection, I believe. I'm trying to get that name right. But it's a little bit lighter, it's a little bit brighter, which is really nice. You still get that darkness. There's that, probably that castoreum. There's the oud and musk in there. But man, that is beautiful. That is just sex to the nose. It is gorgeous, guys. This one, again, I'm glad I have these, and it's almost like an investment piece too, because I know you'll always be able to get rid of it if it doesn't work for you, if you don't like it. But I'm just really getting into a lot of the ouds. I mean, I've always been into the ouds kind of thing and all that. And I know freshies are awesome. They're easy to wear. They're nice. You just go in your closet, you reach whatever you need, spray 6 sprays on, and or whatever, 10 sprays of the citrus, and you're good to go. But these, there's some depth to them. They're complex. I'm gonna try and review this a little bit better, but I know there's probably some rose in this. There's something animalic, but it's a beautiful, sexy animalic, if that makes sense. It's not like a, whoa, let's wait for that to go away and start smelling good. This stuff is just, it really is brighter. There's a lot more like something sort of citrusy in this. There's a nice floral in here, and then I'm sure there's a bunch of ingredients. I didn't look because I wanted to really test my nose on to see what I can find, and I'm sure there's a lot of things I'm missing, but there might be a sandalwood in here too. It kind of starts getting woody, and it's right now too, and it's only been a few minutes, you know, and it's already drying down to a woodiness. I hope this stuff lasts long. At first, it's like it really feels, you know, it's a really nice bubble, and I know it's only just a spray on my hand, but you can actually see too. I mean, it's really you know what I mean, like you can see the fragrance that is sprayed on the hand. So, but guys, look at that sprayer. It's just really nice, and gorgeous stuff, guys. So GHALIYAH HIND, again, it kind of stinks because the fragrance isn't available now, but I know they come out with you know, either second batches or they come out with more. Again, I think it really depends on the demand. You know, Ensor Oud, and you know, a lot of times what he'll do, and a lot of these companies might do, is if they get a strong demand and they're finding people really want it and want to do that, they'll create, you know, second batches or whatever that is. So, and again, they're all going to be a little bit different maybe, just because it's not, I don't really think it's going to be the same identical unless they have some sitting around that they can bottle up again, you know. But guys, sorry to make this such a long video on this, but wow, this stuff, it's really a beautiful fragrance. This is kind of a, you can wear this fragrance and not, you know, not totally be like, oh geez, what are people gonna think? You know, it is a little bit brighter, but as a fragrance lover, you do get the darkness of it, and you do get some of the animalic notes and the castoreum. You get a lot of that going on. But to a guy or to a fragrance person who doesn't really know too much, they're gonna get some of those brighter notes and be like, wow, that kind of smells good, you know. So it's not too crazy for us frag heads, but it's bright enough too that I think it's gonna be pretty wearable. So guys, Rise Frags 34. Sorry that I haven't been putting together some videos. Just a lot going on. Just very busy. But I still love this fragrance, you know, passion, and it just, again, it kind of gets better and better. I just wish I could keep up with everything. There's so many things that are coming out, and companies and everything, and all the reviewers now, I guess, are doing fragrances. There's a lot going on, but I'm just going to try and take it easy a little bit, enjoy the fragrances I have, and kind of go from there. But Rise Frags 34, please subscribe, thumbs up, comment. Let me know if you guys have this bottle. I'd love to know your thoughts on it, but really nice. I'm going to enjoy this one. So take care, guys. I'll try and put out some more videos here and there of some rare stuff, things like that, and some things that are not totally, you know, going on YouTube right now with all the fragrance stuff, which I do love. I'm not saying that. It's just all the top 10 lists and the elixir of Sauvage and a lot of the stuff that's kind of, and I get it. I know people want to, you know, when new things come out like that, it's very popular. Those are the most popular fragrances in the world. So again, you want to, you know, people want to demonstrate and you know, give us their thoughts on it, which I do appreciate. But I'll do some of the more stuff, the more rare stuff that people aren't really doing. So, all right, guys, Rise Frags 34. Thanks again.